how to add a new wallpaper for the home screen or lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on Add New Wallpaper. Then in here, you can select one of the pre-built wallpapers. In the feature section, weather and astronomy, kaleidoscope, emoji, unity, and pride, and so on. So select one of the pre-built wallpapers, or you can create your own custom wallpaper by using photos. So you can select a picture, photo shuffle, live photo, emoji, color, astronomy, or weather. So you can create your own custom wallpaper. Here I'm going to select a feature wallpaper here, Unity Bloom. After that, you can add widget to your wallpaper. So in here, you can create a widget panel. So select what you want to add to the widget panel. So for example, you can add in fitness activity, reminders, and say weather. Then we close that. So it's not saving at the moment. Something's going on. So I'll just tap on add. And here you can choose to customize the home screen, or we can choose to set as wallpaper pair. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you tap on that, you can always go back to customize it. So I can go back here and customize my home screen. So tap on the customize button. Next in here, you can choose to blur the background or not by tap on the blur button. If you want to have a different background for the home screen and a different background for the lock screen, you can go in here and choose photo. So here I can select a photo and I can select a picture. Then tap on down. Now you can also swipe across to choose a different color style. Then tap on done. Okay, so that is for the home screen. So here we can choose photo, we can choose color or gradient. So tap on done. Now you can see that on my lock screen I have a pre-built feature picture wallpaper, and on my lock screen on my home screen I have a different picture. So here after that we can apply it, then swipe up to go back to my home screen. So on my home screen I have a different wallpaper, and on my lock screen I have a different wallpaper. If you want to go back and make changes so that they both have the same wallpaper, you can always go back into settings. So we go back into settings, go down to wallpaper, and make sure you swipe and select the current set, and then tap on customize, then tap on pair, then tap on done. So now we have paired them together, so both the lock screen and the home screen will have the same wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.